Struggling to grow your business? What if I told you billion-dollar brands like Apple, Nike, and Amazon are using hidden marketing hacks you can steal today? These brands don't just sell products, they sell emotions. Apple's iconic Think Different campaign? It's the storytelling that connects. Start crafting your story today to inspire and engage your customers. Why do Apple launches always make headlines? They create hype by making products feel exclusive. Build anticipation around your next launch, and your audience will want in. Amazon knows what you want before you do. How? Data. Use customer insights to offer ultra-personalized experiences that drive sales and build loyalty. Scarcity and urgency work wonders. Ever rush to buy something because it's limited stock? Use these triggers to create FOMO and boost conversions. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a billion-dollar brand to use these hacks. Adapt them to your size and scale like a pro. Ready to take your marketing to the next level? At Bigclicksboon, we specialize in lead generation, digital marketing, and business intelligence and analytics. Click below to watch, and let's build the business of your dreams together.